Hey there, YouTube. Today is Wednesday, July the 7th, 2021. Just a little bit after 10 o'clock in the morning. And I just wanted to start this video and let you know what's going on, what we're doing. So it's sort of an introductory, if you will. And that is that we're starting a brand new trip finally after some months of being stationary. Bad news and good news, and that's part of the good news right there. But the bad news is I've got sciatica, and today is my 6th week and 5th day of having sciatica. So getting around for me, walking, is very, very, very tough. I can only do a very little at a time, and hopefully that'll change. It is getting better, but I'm still extremely limited, so I'll bring you what I can. But the good news is that we are on a trip, that we're going to a number of places. We're going to be out on the road for 8 weeks. And in fact, yeah, it's 8 weeks from today, come to think of it. So we will be on the road for a solid 8 weeks. So I'm going to many places, and I'm going to tell you in advance. I'll tell you as we get to each one. But I will tell you right now, last night was our first night on the road, so today's our first full day. And we stayed outside of Oakwood, Illinois, at a rest area. And so that's where we're at. I'll show you a little bit of that and show you our surroundings. So that way, of course, that's where the cars all stay over there. Over here, they got some sort of an old tractor looking thing, so I'm sure that's an early example of their farming around here. But just show your surroundings a little bit here. If you follow me on Facebook, you would have seen that tree over in the middle, that colorful one. And there is the red dragon. And for the first time, full reveal, right there is the Tacoma pulling it. So I know for those of you who have followed me in the past, you know about the FJ. You want to know what happened to it. All I'm willing to say at this point is that the FJ served its purpose. It more than did its job, and now it's the Tacoma's turn. So hopefully that's enough. What I want to do here is take you around and just show you a couple of things in this rest area and show you some nice stuff. So let me go over and do that. I'll show you this first little area of this. And you see they got a big pond right here, and right in the middle of it, that fountain right there. See, there's a lot of nice trees around here. It's a very kind of woodsy area. It's not real quiet staying over with the trucks. You know, they're very noisy. But you see, nice little area over here. And they got little picnic stands. There's one, there's another, and there's quite a few around. There's more. So, got quite a bit of that. So I'll take you over next, and I will show you the building that they got here. All right, so the next thing to show you are these nice little flowers here. They got plenty of these things, as you can see. Get you a close-up of this one. They got this bush, and then that bush. And they got all these over here. You see, one nice set. I like these little pink ones here. Check this out. Yeah, that's very nice. All right, so I like all of those. And these little ones right here. Those are pretty cool. All right, let's go towards the building and look at some more stuff. All right, so this is the main building here at this rest area. And a little water fountain right there. And you can see over there's the water in the pond that I showed you. Let's take a look at these nice red or yellow flowers right here. Check these out, some kind of lily, I think. That's very nice. I like that. Alright, we'll look at some of these others. So they got little flowers here with the flag. Very nice. And then these, check these things out. Man, that's a great big ball. Look, here's my fingers comparison. Those are nice. And look at these cone shaped. And just to show you my finger by comparison, here. Let's see. Pretty tall. And these little yellow ones, pink ones and white ones, and one of those cone ones there. And there they are in yellow. pretty nice. And all of these. Okay. Now I want to show you, see, Salt Kettle Rest Area is what this is called. A whole bunch more flowers. They got a lot of them. Got some butterflies there. Another little butterfly, that's kind of neat. And those flowers down there. So they've decked it out pretty nice, haven't they? I'd say. Now these are different. See that? And then these flowers over here. Those are pretty nice. I do like those. And these little red ones right here. Alright, and then looks like they've got a walking area. Goes out through here. There's a bridge. So you can go out here and walk around in this whole area. So that looks pretty nice. Yeah, nice little walking area. Alright, so that'll be that for this area. I'll show you where we wind up next.